Solve the system of equations graphically. Determine whether the system is consistent or inconsistent. If the system is consistent, state whether the equations are dependent or independent. So we have the system 8x minus 4y equals 3 and negative 4x plus 2y equals 6. To graph these, let's put each of them in slope-intercept form. So for the first one, we would have to subtract 8x from both sides. Then we would have to divide by negative 4. That result is y equals. Now remember, we're subtracting 8x and then dividing that by negative 4. So a negative 8 divided by a negative 4 is positive 2x. Then we're going to divide 3 by negative 4. So that's minus 3/4. Putting this second equation into slope-intercept form, we would have to add 4x to both sides and then divide by 2. Y equals, so this is a positive 4 when it goes to the right-hand side, divided by a positive 2, so we get y equals 2x, and then 6 divided by 2 is plus 3. So let's graph these. We start with equation number 1. We have a x-intercept of negative 3/4. The slope is positive 2, so we would go up 2 and over 1. Now we draw our line. Whoops, I missed a little bit here. And then let's go to the second equation. We have a y-intercept of 3 and a slope of 2. Let's be a little bit interesting here and recall that with a slope of 2, that's 2 over 1, and it's positive. But what I can do is I can go down 2 and to the left 1 unit so that the rise is negative, the run is negative, so overall it's positive. We draw our line, and you can see they're parallel. Now, you might have been able to notice that they had the same slopes, and therefore, because the slope, of course, is given to us by the coefficient of x, so it's both 2, and therefore you might have concluded already there that they would be parallel and therefore not intersect. But our graph also confirms that. So these equations, or this system, is considered inconsistent. There is no solution.